So hi folks, Alex Woods here, civil litigator with Redwood Legal. In these this series of 3 videos, I'm going to give you some helpful hints and tips, some golden nuggets of legal knowledge when it comes to the thorny issue of how to approach the county court system of England and Wales in relation to a civil dispute. An argument with your neighbour, a road traffic accident, construction, building dispute, a contractual dispute, these sorts of things which are generally heard within the county court system of England and Wales. I'm not talking high value cases, I'm talking cases where you are the litigant in person. You have taken the decision to represent yourself. But the problem is, civil litigation is something of a jungle. I mean, you only have to Google the civil procedure rules. I mean, there are over 90 sections, plus a whole bunch of practice directions on top, subsections upon subsections upon subsections. It is nothing if not a bureaucratic jungle. Okay. Now, the system has become more difficult recently because the government is trying to make you pay for the system, and that means there are dangers of costs. So even if you were to instruct lawyers and win your case, you may not get your full costs back. So costs become a sensitive issue, so you may well have had no choice but to decide to go into the jungle yourself. You've explored all the options online, the free help, the Ministry of Justice website, you've perhaps phoned the Citizens Advice Bureau, you've talked to a buddy who's a law student, you've looked online, YouTube videos, you've come to the inevitable conclusion that you're going to have to bite the bullet and hire a lawyer. But the problem is, as far as you're concerned, certainly the public perception is that lawyers are expensive. Still, you've got to go forward because there's basically a pot of treasure in the middle of that jungle. That's your claim. That's the financial compensation that you believe you're entitled to. In short, you need a guide to hold your hand, to show you the paths, show you where the foliage is not so dense, show you the way through the jungle, provide you with the tools and the equipment to hack your way through the foliage. Okay, you need, if you've not been involved with the county court system of England and Wales before, that's probably what the conclusion that you've come to. In the next video, I'm going to go on to describe to you how I think in the 21st century, more and more law firms are able to provide a kind of a lawyer-like service where you can get some guidance. You're not asking the lawyer to go and, find that pot of treasure and bring it back to you. You just want some guidance and some support. So in the next video, I will just outline 3 different types of legal services that I think any self-respecting law firm should provide.